Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling family sharing, open settings, and tap your name. Once done, add family members by Apple ID. Each person needs their own account. Make sure purchase sharing is enabled and a single payment method is set because Apple uses that card for shared app purchases. This step grants access while keeping personal data separate. It prevents duplicate purchases and makes app management simpler. Now, proceed to confirm each invite and acceptances before moving to app sharing. Next, you add people and confirm their acceptance. Tap Add People, enter an Apple ID, or send an invite link. The recipient taps Accept in their settings. This connects their account to the family group. Once accepted, go to App Store purchased on any family member's device to view shared apps. You may need to sign in with that person's Apple ID to see personal purchases. Make sure each member has appropriate permissions, because hidden purchases or regional differences can affect visibility. Finally, download shared apps from App Store purchased. Select the family member and tap Get. If you manage kids, enable Ask to Buy so purchases require approval, and use content and privacy restrictions to block unwanted apps. Remember, subscriptions or region-locked apps might not share. Paid apps usually share, but in-app purchases and subscriptions often do not. If something fails, sign out and back into iCloud, confirm payment method, and verify all accounts use the same country.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.